Alright, let's cut through the noise. Hermes Agent V10. Is it the real deal or just more overhyped AI? I get it. With every new AI agent dropping, there's always that lurking question. Is this legit or am I about to get scammed out of my API keys? So, I spent the last week deep diving into Hermes Agent V10, specifically version 0.10, and here's what I found. First up, the big worry. Scam or not? Hermes is 100% legit. Open source, MIT licensed, all up on GitHub for anyone to inspect. Nothing sketchy here. In fact, it's already racked up over 60,000 stars in just 2 months, which is wild. Some people freak out because it's self-hosted, meaning you're in charge of your own API keys and setup. There's no click-and-go dashboard, so if you're used to plug-and-play AI like ChatGPT+, get ready for a bit more hands-on work. Now, what's actually new in V10? This update takes Hermes from a basic command line tool to a full-on agent with some slick features. There's the tool gateway, letting you hook up to over 16 messaging platforms: Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, you name it. Persistent memory lets Hermes remember your projects for months, pulling up details using smart search and LLM summaries. My personal favorite, the self-improving loop. Hermes literally learns from its own mistakes by writing new skills after solving problems. Plus, it's model agnostic, so you can use over 200 cloud models, or even run local models if you're a nerd like me. Downsides? Yeah, there are a few. You'll need some technical chops for the install and setup, and while the software's free, you do have to pay for your own LLM tokens and hosting. Also, since Hermes is evolving fast, you'll want to run updates regularly to squash bugs. So, my verdict: if you love tinkering and want a private, self-improving AI assistant hanging out in your Telegram, Hermes Agent V10 is absolutely worth it. But if you hate terminals or just want something that works out of the box, you'll be happier sticking with a managed